Good day to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel to learn about the MS Excel. Today we'll find out various methods to find out the sum. One of the basic method which we use to find out the sum is by using the formula that is equals sum, open the bracket, and we select the range of cells, then we close the bracket, then click on enter. This is the basic method which we use to find the sum. Another one basic method is equals, then select the cell. One by one you should select. After selecting each cell, you should click on plus symbol. Then after selecting all the cells, click on close the bracket and click on enter. This is one of the method of finding sum. And another one method is there by using the shortcut, that is alt equals. You should first click on alt, then click on equals simultaneously. First we should click on alt and click on equal symbol simultaneously, then we can find the sum. This is one of the shortcut method to find out the sum. And to find out the average, we have a formula that is equals average, open the bracket, select the range of cells, then close the bracket and click on enter. Then you can find out the average now. Thank you for watching. Let us end today's session. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts in the session, you can comment in the video. We'll revert back to you. Please like, share and subscribe our video.